Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Vandalay Sweet Cherry. Vandalay Sweet Cherry comes in after our early varieties, such as Early Burlat, Chalan, Black Pearl, and it's just before the another one we just looked at, which is Kristen. This Vandalay is on Gisela 5 rootstock, and normally it would be quite a bit bigger than this, but we prune them back every year, and our soils here aren't great, so it doesn't get the kind of growth you would see in a regular orchard. Because our soils here aren't so good, we're shifting all of our cherry trees over to seedling rootstock, mazard rootstock, which is incredibly vigorous. It'll, if you let a mazard sweet cherry grow on its own, it'll become a 50-foot tall tree. Vandalay was developed in Canada. It's self-fruitful. It doesn't need a pollinator, but like any fruit, it would benefit from having a pollinator nearby. It is a cross between Van and Stella, and it is a good-looking cherry. Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at one here. It's a deep burgundy color. In fact, I picked a cherry just to show you this. This is cracking. So it's been raining the last couple days here. Not too much, but it's humid. And the osmotic pressure pulls water into the cherry because of the concentration of sugar on the inside. It wants to pull in water that is not as concentrated. So it pulls in from the outside, swells up the cherry and splits it. But it's still edible. If you would have to watch out here because mold might take hold here. But let's take a bite. Oh man, that's a good one. That is very sweet. Not so firm, but it's very good. That's a keeper. So this is Vandalay Cherry. If you're looking for a good cherry between the early ripeners like Chalan and Early Burlat and the main ripening season like Bing and Rainier, this is a good one for your garden.